As a front-end developer, there are sometimes we want to test the responsiveness of our project from the local host while it's not yet on the live. Let me show you the two ways by which I personally test the responsiveness of my code. The first one is I installed this extension called Mobile Simulator. I'll click on the extension and then click on the Mobile Simulator extension, and you see it pops up like this. So but like this, I can test the responsiveness. I can see how it will display on the small screen, and I can as well change the screen size. I can decide to use this Galaxy Flip 3. As you can see, I can even try on tablets like this iPad mini, and I think it's still, as you can see, it still makes sense as well. So I think this is really cool. But the other way by which I test is by using a physical device. So like for instance, I'm going to set up a port for it, and when I finish setting up a port, I can actually access it from my phone and see how it actually looks like. Let me show you that. I'm going to go back to my VS Code. I'm going to press Shift Command P. I think for Windows it should be Shift Control P. So I'm going to type port. You're going to see this forward a port. So I'm going to click on enter. If you look at the VS Code console down here, so I'm going to click on forward a port. So it's going to ask me to enter a port number here. So my port here is 5174. So I'm going to come and type forward a port. I'm going to put the 5174. Then I'll click enter. It's telling me it's starting a port forwarding, which is what I want it to do. So now it has forwarded the port here. So the next thing is the visibility is still private, so I'm going to make it public. I'm going to right click this, click on port visibility. I'm going to make it public. So it's going to ask me this. I'm going to click on continue and voila. So I'm going to use this forwarded address to view how it's actually showing on my phone. So I'm going to type it in. So it's going to ask, so it's going to show something like this. I'm going to click on continue. Afterwards, I'm going to see my site here. So it's loading. Yeah. So you see it on my device. So one cool thing about this is that I can literally change anything from my local host and it will be updated immediately on this device. So that's how I test the responsiveness of my project. So if you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and follow. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.